I am in Italy. I'm exploring medieval villages, I'm reading a really good book, and I'm cooking. No recipes, just some simple things I'm putting together. I've got chunks of onion, simmering in white beans, served over a bit of crusty bread. I've got this beautiful roast chicken with carrots and asparagus and onion and potatoes. And I've been making a lot of salads. I found this beautiful bunch of fresh parsley at the market. I was inspired. Get this. You chop up the fresh parsley. You've got pine nuts toasted, sun-dried tomatoes, and a bit of parmesan. It may be one of the best things that I've ever tasted. This is the Mediterranean diet, and it doesn't need to be complicated. You've got olive oil to make everything taste good, lots of fresh produce, you've got beans and nuts, and a small amount of chicken or fish or beef. It's real food. It's not temporary, like following a diet. This is something that you can do forever, and that is smart eating.